Hello, beautiful women. Stress at work, bad sleep, and junk food do not contribute to perfect body shape and only make things worse. In September, it is even more difficult to follow good eating and living habits, and we cannot avoid eating something tasty. But losing weight is not always a strict diet and an exhausting exercise. There are many tricks that will help you lose excess weight in just 2 weeks. 1. Wake up earlier. Do not let a few extra hours in your bed prevent you from being fit. Getting enough sleep improves your metabolism, but if you sleep too much, it can damage your body. Scientists have discovered that people who sleep 8 to 9 hours and wake up after 10:45 eat 250 calories more than early risers. In addition, they generally want more salty, sweet and high-fat foods. 2. Brush your teeth more frequently. A toothbrush not only cleans the teeth but also helps fight excess weight if you use it during the day. More than 14,000 people participated in surveys showing that there was a link between brushing teeth and losing weight. Toothpaste removes food debris and interrupts communication with our recipients. Our brain receives a signal that says lunch is over. But before let's go further, please check the first link in the video description to discover a odd hack which melts 62 pounds very fast. 3. Laugh more. This is no joke. Sincere laughter uses almost the same energy as walking because it involves different muscles, especially the abdominal muscles. These data were published in the International Journal of Obesity. In other words, 10 to 15 minutes of laughter can burn 40 to 170 calories. And we believe that whatever happens, a positive attitude is always great. Therefore, we recommend that you watch some more comedies. 4. Drink more water. Drinking enough water accelerates the fat-burning process. In surveys where participants had to drink 2 large glasses of water, their metabolism became 30% better and faster. Scientists say that by consuming 50 additional fluid ounces a day, a person can burn about 17,400 calories a year. We think it's worth a try. 5. The 2.5-minute rule. This rule is described in the journal Physiological Reports. The problem is that 5 to 30 seconds of intense exercise during a workout, for example, accelerating when riding a bike or running on a treadmill, at 4-minute intervals can increase your metabolism and burn an additional 200 calories. Let your workouts be more effective. 6. Eat less, but more frequently. It's easy. When you eat frequently, tell your body that you don't need to accumulate fat. Then, when we stop eating, we send the opposite signal. Dr. David Jenkins' research shows that eating too little often reduces cholesterol levels by 15% and insulin levels by almost 28%. Insulin plays an important role since it controls the level of blood sugar. If insulin is missing, glucose does not reach fat cells or muscles. In short, active muscles burn old fats to produce energy. 7. Remove bright blue light from electronic screens. Here is another simple way to increase your metabolism. Eliminate blue light from your phone if you use it before bedtime. Studies show that bright light confuses our brain and stops producing melatonin. Our metabolism is closely related to our sleep patterns, quantity, and quality of sleep. Adjust the light tones emitted by the screens and you will see that your sleep will improve. 8. Stop counting calories. Nutritionists recommend that you stop concentrating on calories and pay more attention to the quality of the products you eat because not all calories are the same. For example, a high-calorie hamburger can be harmful, but high-calorie nuts are useful. Good products are natural and minimally processed, such as vegetables, nuts, and seeds, all of which contain more useful and healthy elements than their powdered analogues. These products help us get used to our new diet, enrich the body with vitamins and minerals and satisfy hunger. 9. Let fresh air into your room. The inspiring results of the experiments published in Diabetes suggest that cold temperatures in a room influence our brown fat, a layer of fat that protects the body from freezing. In turn, divide white fat and burn chemical energy to create heat. The subjects had to sleep in rooms with different temperatures, neutral, cold and hot. After 4 weeks of sleeping in a cool room, the men removed a large amount of white fat in the abdomen. 10. Forget about sleeping during the day. Science shows that people burn less fat while they sleep during the day and are active at night. To achieve these results, a group of researchers from the University of Colorado studied 14 healthy people in 6 days. During the first 2 days, participants slept at night and did not take naps during the day. Then they changed their sleep patterns to mimic the owls' sleep schedules. It was discovered that when people took a nap, their metabolism worsened. Since their biological clocks did not change completely to adapt to their schedules. If you work the night shift, doctors recommend reducing the number of calories you consume by 50 to 60. 11. Once a week, deliberately interrupt your diet. Fraudulent meals are a very popular phenomenon among amateur and professional athletes. Which means you can stop your diet once a week. You can eat whatever you want, even if these foods are prohibited. The problem is that you cheat your psychology. When you know that you will be rewarded for your efforts. It is much easier to refuse to eat bad food to satisfy your spontaneous desires. Also, don't forget to check the first link in the video description to discover a odd hack which melts 62 pounds very fast. 12. Get rid of stress. According to a study published in Biological Psychiatry, stress slows metabolism. Also, when we are stressed, we tend to eat more fatty, sweet and salty foods. Scientists say that consuming high-calorie products in stressful situations affects our metabolism and causes weight gain. 13. Get enough sleep. A few more words about how to sleep well. A healthy 8-hour sleep from 11 p.m. to 7 p.m. contributes to optimal metabolism and to eliminate unwanted abdominal fat. 60,000 women participated in a study and scientists found that people who slept less than 5 hours were more prone to weight gain and obesity than those who slept enough. Additional research in Finland has studied twins. He showed that lack of sleep caused an increase in visceral fat. As the level of the stress hormone that accumulates fat called cortisol increases. In addition, this frequent lack of sleep causes glucose tolerance problems. In other words, the body cannot convert sugar into energy, not fat. What advice do you follow to stay healthy and fit? Share your experience with us. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.